This one's for the lads. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Hugh, otherwise known as Matthew, and thank you for joining me. Today's video is just for the lads. Yes, you guys out there, yes. Nah, it can be for anyone, who cares, whatever, it's YouTube. Today we're going to be doing my 3 steps to looking good for the everyday. Oh yes, this is going to be a natural one. Step 1, squint those eyes. Step 2, have a bubbly personality. And step 3, a big smile. And that's it. Fuck that, let's cover this shit up. Look, inner beauty, natural beauty, all of that is great and everything, but sometimes you get a few extra spots, you get dark under eyes, and you just need something to like mellow it out. Why not? So this is the 3 steps that I take just to sort of prepare myself for an everyday scenario. So here are my 3 steps, let's do it. Step 1, moisturize. So for my under eye moisturizer, I use the Origin's Well Bright, Mega Bright, I should say. This just helps illuminate those dark under eyes, and it's just something to get us started with. Creamy. Okay, so we're just gonna dab it. This is delicate skin, so you really have to be gentle if you don't want to look old. You can age gracefully, or you can age beautifully. And then for the rest of my face, I've got my Origin's Plantscription Face Moisturizer. This is oil-free and it comes with SPF in it. So this is really good for the daytime. And it's great if you suffer from acne. So it covers everything. Step 2, concealer. So for step 2, I have this concealer. It is Estee Lauder. It is pretty good. It's just got a brush at the end and you twist it and then we get the ooze coming out the top. Guys, you know what I'm talking about. I just like to put it on my palm just to make sure there isn't too much excess. And then I just start to cover up just where I have the odd spot, the odd red mark. I mean, and any of you guys out there that are like super mask and you don't like the idea of this makeup stuff, makeup shit, yeah, it's for women. Like, dudes, come on, calm down. There is nothing wrong with having acne. There is nothing wrong with being a little bit embarrassed by it. And there's nothing wrong with doing something to cover it up. I do have long, luscious, curly hair, so that helps cover a lot of it up. And now I just want to cover up my under eyes. Now, notice what I'm doing. I'm only going into the very corners, which is where the darkest of my under eyes is, and I have permanent dark under eyes. It is, even when I'm not tired, it so just frustrates me. So you don't want to go all over your eyes, go crazy, do the top lid, nothing like that. Literally just in the corners. The moisturizer acts as a base, very good. Multifunctioning. And now we go on to step 3, blend. So I have a little blending brush I got from Boots. It's pretty cheap. Like I said, this is not supposed to be some kind of huge makeup escapade. And all you want to do is just dab out where I've put the concealer or wherever you have put the concealer. We blend, but we do it with lots of little dabs. Or at least that's what I do, and it works for me. Now notice with the under eyes, I blend out just across the rest of the eye. So we don't want like a huge amount of concealer all under your under eyes, and then you blend it out and it creates a much more natural look. So then we're covering up the majority of the dark patch in the corner and we're bringing the rest out. Simple. And that is it, guys. Let's look at a before and after. Ah yes, both beautiful, but the one on the left certainly glows. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. This is not supposed to be some kind of elaborate makeup. It's just supposed to just soften it out. Like you can still see I've got a mild spot there, but it just blends it. It just softens it and blurs it a little bit. So when you're on your, going out and about, like, you just feel a little bit more confident. And it's just very natural. I think something guys can do, girls can do, whatever. It's just a quick everyday thing. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Take care, and I will see you next week. Bye. I need to stop winking. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for new videos.